Recorded the sewer line here at 12736 Southeast 25th Street, Bellevue, Washington. Date is February 22nd, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out here at this bottom level water heater maintenance room. I'm recording back from this point. This is the property line. Everything back from here is the responsibility of the homeowner here on the property. So property line here coming back from Bellevue into the side sewer line here. Should be coming back into 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. And this is running along down along the side of the house here. Worn aggregate pipe. It's the original concrete pipe to the home. You can see some waste starting to accumulate in sections there. It's because the bottom of this pipe has just gotten very rough. It's old concrete. It's just gotten rough from sewage flowing over it for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 years, however old this house is. You can see in different spots here it's just starting to catch up waste and slow it down. So that 1.6 or 1.2 gallon flush is just not carrying the sewage all the way out to the main as it's supposed to, because this line has gotten rough over the years, just slowing things down. Again, another piece of waste there. Oh, we hit a 90-degree turn there. That's at the corner of the house. I'm going to go locate that spot. Got a little bit of waste accumulating in that section as well. I'll pause the video and go locate. Okay, I've got that spot located. Now I'm going to come back around that sharp turn. I'm catching a little bit of waste on that turn as well. A little bit of another turn there. Also accumulating some waste. We come back into plastic at this point. I'm going to locate this spot as well, pausing the video. Okay, resuming the video, we've got that spot located as well. Coming back now into this plastic section of pipe. And up out of the clean out there. Oh, you got a little bit of broken. Locate this spot as well. It looks like the cast actually has some issues. Pausing the video.